Hello students, today we are going to see a living world of plants. Come on students. Here plants and animals are the living creatures in earth. So now we are going to learn about what are the parts of plants. As you see in your lower classes, plants are having major three parts: leaf, stem and root. In this lesson, we are going to learn about structure of root and its functions, types, and structure of stem, its functions, and the structure of leaf and its functions. So first of all, we are going to learn about the structure of root. What is root? Root is the underground part of the main axis of the plant. It lies below the ground. It is positively geotrophic. That is, it undergoes parallel to our root lies below the surface of the soil. The root has a root cap at the tip of the root. So above the root cap, a very minute hairy like structure is there. That is also increase the area of the absorbing area. Increase the absorbing area. Some extra hairy like outgrowth is there in above the root cap. Root cap protect the root tip from damages because it enters the soil particles, between the soil particles. There are two types of root system is there. One is taproot system, another one is fibrous root system. In taproot system, straight bulge root is going underground. These roots are having small lateral roots. They are secondary roots and tertiary roots also there. For example, in a neem tree and a mango tree, these roots are produced. That is, tap roots are present. Then tap roots are mostly present in dicotyledons plants. Example for dicotyledons plants, neem tree. If you open the neem seed and you can divide the seed into two equal halves. It has two cotyledons, so dicotyledons plants is called. Then in fibrous root system, at the end of the stem, that is when stem touches the ground, from that area a tuft of roots are formed with the same length and size is also somewhat thin. That type of root is called fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are present in paddy and all the grasses. These roots are present. These are present in monocotyledons plants. For example, in your kitchen you ask your mom and see what is jeera. Jeera is that. Jeeragam in Tamil. Jeera and pepper, melagu. Pepper, both you take it in your hand and try to split into two equal halves. You can't. It will split into many parts because it is a single seed, not like neem seed and the mango seed. We can divide into two equal halves that seeds. That seed that plants is called dicotyledons plants. But the jeera and pepper and also paddy, that is these are the plants, grass plant. All the plants are having having single seed, and that plant is known as monocotyledons. Monocotyledons plants are having fibrous root system. Functions of root. Roots fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Then roots absorbs water and minerals from the ground, and it supplies to the plant. In some plants, roots stores food. That roots are modified roots. We will see in next class. Okay. Now we are going to learn about shoot system. Functions of shoot system. Shoots supports branches, leaves, and fruits. Then shoot system transports prepared food from leaf to other parts of the body, and it transports water which absorbed by the root system to the aerial part of other parts of the plants. Next we are going to learn about leaf. The base of the leaf is connected to the stem. That part is known as node. Node where the leaf is connected to the plant. That in between two nodes some gap is there. That gap is known as internode. In between two nodes the space is called internodes. In the node region sometimes young leaves are formed. Sometimes new flowering bud is formed. Then the space, the broadened space of the leaf is known as leaf blade. The flat portion, green portion of the leaf is called petiole. In the center of the petiole, a strong vein is there. That is known as main vein. Leaves are green in color because of the presence of chlorophyll. It's a green pigment used for photosynthesis. Then at the base of the leaf, the other side of the leaf, the leaf corner is also having some holes. That hole is known as leaf holes, and the leaf holes are called stomata. The stomata used for the gas transformation. That is during night time the plant respire through these stomata, intake oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. But during daytime through the stomata, carbon dioxide come into the plant for photosynthesis, then oxygen gases released through this stomata. Functions of leaf. Leaf is used to produce food by the process called photosynthesis. So leaves are the plant production factory of the plant. Okay, now we learnt about the plant parts: root, leaf, stem. So, and also we learnt about its functions. So students, read your book and underline and make a mind map and new words. If you want to have if you have any doubts, ask me through phone. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.